here is my ultimate neck knife. My wife was threatening to buy one, so I thought, well, I better get to the shop and make her something. So one of the things I noticed about neck knives online, they're all pretty heavy. So this one is 40 grams for the knife, 8 grams for the sheath. I've got that thin stock to make, well, to keep the weight down, but also to make the Scandi grind work. It's wide with a straight back to do some batoning. That wide blade gives me enough room to get some protection from sliding forward onto the blade. And there's enough handle you can really get your hand on it. Right? You could use that for some serious cutting or even defensive purposes. Got some fancy Japanese paper that I epoxied together to make scales. So I do think it's important for a neck carry knife to be light, because it's supposed to be there when you didn't bring your real knife. Right? If you want to do some bushcraft with it, you can do that. You know, it's a multi-purpose backup knife. It's not your main survival knife, but it's there. By the way, if you are neck carrying, keep the cord not too strong, not strong enough for you to get choked out by it. It's been left out several times, for I think once for a couple of weeks, but the 6.4 titanium, no damage, of course, and it's easy to sharpen, like to an okay working edge. I get it to like arm hair shaving, but nothing, you know, can't do any fancy stuff. I think if I were going to do this one again, I'd run that edge bevel right up almost to the handle. I'm losing a little bit of edge there. There's my new neck knife, ultralight.